Hi everyone, my name is Rashmitam Daddi, studying first sem B.Ed in KLES YG Kulgude College of Education, Athni. Firstly, I thanks to my beloved teacher A.M. Sangi ma'am for giving me such a great opportunity. Thank you ma'am. And friends, today we are going to deal with the small subtopic of science, that is scope of science. Here we are all know about the science, yes or no? Because science is like our playground. How you all know? See, science is a special knowledge, not at all bookish. It's like a practical thinking. Yes, the science is attached to human beings from birth to death, and after death also, like decomposition process. Yes, and we are utilizing the science starts from our morning ringing alarm clock to till up to midnight. We go to sleep. We use it the from morning to till up to sleep. Yes, nowadays it is not far away, it's too near to our daily life or a daily grip. Nowadays we are using science or science things in all over the fields like medical or biological, chemical or chemistry or electronics and agriculture also. So that like that we are using the science in so many fields. See, firstly, in medical field, the sciences help to man to grow his knowledge and to study about the human body and contribute towards the saving millions of lives worldwide. Various diseases can now be treated with the development and innovation of new medicines. Yes or no? And now present day corona disease is spreading all over the world. On that research, so many researchers happened, and the result is Covaxin or Covishields are available to us, like a vaccination of COVID-19. Yes. Then in agriculture field also, science is more infected on agriculture, like the land is capable to feed billions of people as possible due to scientific approach in agriculture. See, nowadays we can see more number of machines like sowing the seeds on the field and tractors, sprinklings, irrigation system. Some so many things are used in the agriculture field, and like that only insecticides, pesticides and some of the fertilizers also used in the agriculture field by farmers. These are also a gift of science. Yes or no? Yes. And next is we are use the science in most important thing in our education system. How? You all know. See, now we are hearing this information where from mobile. It is also a gift of science. And hearing the morning classes like Zoom meeting or Google Meet or some school meets are there. They are also used to continue our teaching process. Yes or no? This is also gift of science. See, the science is not applicable nowadays in the education system. It is applicable in 1964 only in Kotari education. It is started by Daulat Singh Kotari. Yes, they used some science topics or science subtopics in their education. It's called Kotari education. And like that only we use the science in the spaces, like scientists created the some man-made rockets by using the some theories, science theories, and it is extended up to already I told you sounding rockets, research in the upper atmosphere and high altitude balloons like etc. And in our daily life also we use the science too much. Examples are mobiles, alarm clocks, calculators, TV, computers, yes or no? And the scientists are created some robots also. These robots are gift of science, invented by the science. Yes, these robots are help to human beings on their works. Yes, yes or no? Like that machines also in industries. Yes, where there is a 10 people are working on one project, a single machine can do that work. Yes, not only this much field the science is used. Moreover, the science is used in entire the world. Yes, the science is like our heartbeat. How much the heartbeat is important to a man, that much the science is important to a human beings, and it is playing their role or their important role in human beings' life. Some people science is used in the wrong directions, but we together we can should spread the greatness of science throughout the world or entire the civilization. Friends, science is my favorite also. I think yours also. Thank you. See you soon, friends. Be safe.